Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we bring easy and quick recipes for you to enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. Your support is very much appreciated. Today we're going to explore some amazing recipes that are both fun and easy to make. I am so happy you are here. Cooking is all about sharing love and joy, and I can't wait to share this experience with you. Are you ready for a taste bud adventure? Let's get cooking. Today, we have a special treat that will tantalize your senses. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant flavors. Fresh herbs, colorful vegetables, and exotic spices will be our stars. Get ready for a recipe that's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Perfect for those busy weeknights or a spontaneous dinner party. You won't believe how simple it is to make your own pesto at home. With just a few ingredients, you can create a sauce that's bursting with flavor. This recipe is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner or a festive gathering, it's sure to impress. Impress your friends with a homemade pasta night. They'll be amazed at how delicious and fresh everything tastes. Or elevate your sandwiches to gourmet status. Let's get started. Grab your aprons and let's dive into this culinary journey together. Forget the store-bought jars. Today, we're making pesto from scratch. It's fresher, tastier, and surprisingly simple. Don't worry, it's a breeze. You don't need to be a professional chef to make this. With just a handful of fresh ingredients and a blender, you'll have a taste of heaven ready in minutes. This pesto recipe is bursting with flavor. The vibrant green color is just the beginning. Fresh basil takes center stage. Its aromatic leaves are the heart of our pesto. We're adding nutty pine nuts, aromatic garlic, and a touch of salt to enhance the flavors. And the sharpness of Parmesan cheese. It adds a rich, savory depth. A drizzle of olive oil brings it all together. It makes the pesto smooth and luscious. Get ready to wow your taste buds. This homemade pesto is a game changer. This pesto is so versatile, you'll want to put it on everything. From pasta to sandwiches, it elevates any dish. Let's gather our ingredients and get this pesto party started. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought. Before we start blending, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups fresh basil leaves, packed, half a cup pine nuts, lightly toasted, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves garlic, minced, half a cup extra virgin olive oil, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. That's it, just a handful of simple ingredients for a flavor explosion. Now let's get blending. Now comes the fun part. Making pesto is not only easy, but also incredibly satisfying. Grab your blender or food processor. Add the basil leaves, making sure they're fresh and vibrant for the best flavor. Next, toss in the pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and garlic. These ingredients will give your pesto that rich, nutty, and cheesy taste we all love. Pulse a few times until everything is roughly chopped. This step ensures that all the flavors start to meld together. Now, with the blender running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. This helps emulsify the mixture, making it smooth and cohesive. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You want a consistency that will coat your pasta or spread easily on bread. Stop to scrape down the sides as needed. This ensures that all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Want a thicker pesto? Use a little less olive oil. This will give you a more concentrated flavor and a chunkier texture. Prefer it thinner? Add a touch more olive oil. This will make it easier to drizzle over dishes or mix into sauces. Once your pesto is smooth and vibrant, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the flavors to your liking. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, these simple seasonings can make a big difference. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. So start with a little and adjust as needed. Congratulations, you've just made homemade pesto. Wasn't that easy? It's amazing how a few simple ingredients can create something so delicious. Now toss it with your favorite pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or even use it as a marinade for chicken or fish. The possibilities are endless. Pesto is incredibly versatile and can elevate so many dishes. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you had as much fun making pesto as I did. Don't forget to share your pesto creations with me in the comments. Happy cooking and see you next time.